Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Have you dreamed of having your own sauna at home? Maybe things like the price or having the right space for it has held you back. But you don't have to hold back anymore because you can get an amazing portable one from ZONEMEL. Some reasons that I really like mine is that it is oversized, so my husband and I can both fit in it comfortably. I also love that this gets up to 120 degrees. It feels so nice, you never want to get out of it. You feel really comfortable inside of it. In fact, it has a double zipper and even a removable front window in case for some reason you feel like you need air quickly. This is a far infrared sauna, which means that it's a dry sauna. It has 3 carbon heating pads and you attach those to the side walls with Velcro. They're 1600 watt and you really feel that 360 degree heating. It feels amazing and just soaks into your bones and feels so relaxing and soothing. Now, if you're looking into getting a far infrared sauna, then you know the health benefits that can come from that. But I'm not a medical professional, so you should definitely check with your provider before deciding whether to get one. We found that the seams on this are really secure, well made. The connections to the electrical portion of it are very secure. And it's really nice that it comes with a remote that gives you a thermometer readout and a timer on it. I am beyond happy with this sauna that I got from ZONEMEL, and I think that you will be too. And that's my point of view.